Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out get stock OPT error. First, go to your start menu and search for CMD. Right click on this, click run as administrator. Here type type ipconfig flush DNS and hit enter to flush your DNS cache. Close this, head to your start menu game, search for control panel, click on this. As you can see now, control panel is open. Now click on the large icons. Now click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Right click on the Wi-Fi setting and go to the properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4. Click properties and select use the following DNS server and type 88 and here alternate DNS server 884 and 4 and click on OK. Finally, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Type Window Defender Firewall here. Click on Allow app or features through Windows Firewall. Now click on Change setting and search for Minecraft, the Minecraft launcher. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Now click on OK to save and launch Minecraft again. This should fix your connection issues. If it helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.